All right, it's another day of walking and talking about cardiovascular health. Today I want to talk to you about the Jupiter trial. The number one cause of death in the US is cardiovascular disease. And one of the best studies that we have to understand the benefits of statin is called the Jupiter trial. The Jupiter trial was attempting to understand whether inflammation, which we can measure with CRP in the blood, is a useful way of assessing cardiovascular disease and if that disease risk could be reduced with statin therapy. Researchers randomized participants in this study, which were almost 20,000 men and women who had CRP levels of greater than 2 and LDL levels, or the bad cholesterol levels, of less than 130. The two groups received either rosuvastatin 20 milligrams or placebo. The Jupiter trial was stopped early at the recommendations of the Safety Review Board because the results were so compelling. Just short of 2 years, the participants receiving rosuvastatin had an approximately 50% reduction in myocardial infarction and stroke. They also had a 20% reduction in all-cause mortality. That means all causes of death. This study is also important because it showed benefits for statin therapy in women, minority groups, and people over the age of 70. Serious adverse events reported in the two groups, the statin group and the placebo group, were comparable. You might be wondering, was the benefit of statin therapy in lowering the CRP or the inflammation, or in the LDL reduction? The answer is probably both. Statin medications are one of the most life-saving and accessible treatment options we have available to us. So I would maintain an open mind about them. Certainly talk with your healthcare provider if you are a suitable candidate for taking them. Not everyone needs them, but for the right people, they can be a really amazing tool. Follow along for more talks in the future. Let me know if you have any questions or any topics you want to discuss further.